We have to look at the responsibility that these women are having on the younger generation of women, and again, their level of influence.
Did anyone see that recently got Lady Phillips talking about how she felt?
Oh, shake like boom, Yasharahla.
Blessed by the best, 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 blessed by the best. Outside, blessed. Wake up in the morning, feel the spirit under my chest. And doing to the end, I try so hard, I'm doing my best. If it's Shabbat, don't call my phone, man, leave me alone, I'm getting my rest. Yeah, outside.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Yapah here, another day. So, what you saw me working on was the shoulder, so I gathered it up. It's all gathered. It used to be like about here, but now it's here. And yeah, it's all gathered, so I'm going to do a stay stitch. I'm going to do a stitch on top, so that way it stays in place. I'm thinking about doing a stitch for down here too, just so that the stitching stays and the gathers stay and they don't unravel. So I think I'm gonna do both, the stitch where I did the gathering and then a stitch on top to kind of hold it and make sure it's all good on here. And then what I have to do, put the put the bias tape on the neck and the front all the way down to the bottom, and then hem the bottom. Hopefully I can get all that done in 30 minutes. If I can, that would be so great. But you know, things happen and I already feel like I have to go tingle, which I'm probably gonna hold it for a second just so I can get some more stuff done. Because I have to pee a lot, I have to drink a lot, so I have to pee a lot, and that can be very annoying. Especially when you're like in the zone and you're trying to get stuff done. So yeah. What are they doing? I gotta go check on my children. Okay, they're fine. They chilling, watching Miss Monica. Probably should have went to go pee since I was standing up, since I got up, but I just need to go run check and come right back. So I did not go use the bathroom. I'll be alright. So I'm gonna stitch this down. Okay. Stitch this down. Make sure this is all good. Okay. Into the
Outside, yes. Say you think it's checkers, but we really playing chess. Put a sin all on my face. Well, I ain't impressed. Man, you already know the slogan. Yeah, we blessed by the outside, watch out for the mark of the beast. On the west coast, but we always praying towards the east. Cross my safe and shit, them shackles now free. Okay, white, blue, go with them tassels on, man. Ain't that just that's the dress code when we step in.
Okay, so this is my first time like actually doing this jacket this way, because I wanted it to be more sturdier. I looked at my sample piece and I didn't think it was as sturdy as it should be. Well, the first sample, and then I kind of basically did the same thing on the second sample as I did on the first. So I was like, I want this to be more sturdier and, you know, last longer. So I did a different type of stitching on the seams to make it sturdier, as well as on the shoulders for the gathering to make it sturdier as well. So I did the same thing. It's called a French seam. So I did a French seam. I don't know if you can see because it's black. There, you can see that. So you kind of fold it. So you're kind of double stitching, like you fold it good sides together, stitch, and then the excess you snip off, and then you fold it, and again, you fold it again. Good sides together. Did I say that? I'm confusing myself, okay. I have to show you guys because I'm confusing myself trying to explain it to you. At the moment, I know how to do it. Okay, I'm just trying to hurry up and get this done. I have like 15 minutes left, a little less than 15 minutes left to see if I can put this bias tape on here. But yeah, I basically did the same thing on the shoulders, and I used that to gather it so it'll be like scrunchy like this. And then I sewed it, I secured it down twice basically. One with just the part that I gathered so that the gathers stay that way, and then again along the top of the garment so that way this doesn't flip, the gathered part doesn't flip-flop and stuff, it stays put, and another piece of security for the garment. So now I'm gonna put this on here. I pray that I have enough because I'm not even sure if I have enough right now, but I'm hoping that I do. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on here. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it on here, see what happens, and then go from there. So there's a few new things that I'm doing on here just to make it more sturdier and make it more quality. So that's what I want. I want you to get stuff that's quality. I'm getting hot. I still haven't peed, y'all, so I should probably go do that, but I don't want to waste time. That sounds bad. I need to go pee. Let's see. I need some pins. I got some pins right here. Okay, good sides, good sides. Let's just put it all the way at the bottom. Part of me feels like I need to cut some of this off because the holes on here are being seen, and I don't like that. So I think I'm gonna trim some of this off, and then because I don't like these holes. I don't know if can you see the holes on here? Oh, you can just kind of see the holes here, right? You can see them after I put the bias tape on there. You see those? Yeah, I don't like that, so I'm gonna trim it. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna go tinkle. Sorry, and then I'm going to do that.
Preaching through your streets, cause we out here saving souls, trying to feed the lost sheep. I could praise this cause he took me out that slumber, it was deep. Now I'm trying to help the ones that deep up in they sleep. Outside, bliss, wake up in the morning, feel the spirit in my chest. And doing to the end, I try so hard, I'm doing my best. If it's Shabbat, don't call my phone, man, leave me alone, I'm getting my rest. Yeah, outside, yeah, same biggest checkers, but we really playing chess. Put a sin all in my face, well, I ain't impressed. Man, you already know the slogan. Yeah, we blessed by the flow. Yeah, we blessed. They been asking me where I've been, man, I've been outside. Yasha gave me the seat.
All right, I think I'm done for today, at least for right now. I finished the shoulders, and I feel like this is crooked. I placed the bias tape on it, and I do have enough, and I have some left over, which is great. So I see I have some left over. I thought about my little tags to put on there. I almost forgot, so I'm gonna put one of these on there at the neck. I may put it at the I may have to put it on the neck because everything else is sewn already. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on the neck. I'll probably do the rest of this tomorrow, because after this I'm about to go put the babies down for naps. I'm going to eat, and I'm probably going to take a nap myself, most likely. So I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs of seeing what I'm doing, what I got going on. It takes me a little longer to do things now because, you know, as I told you, my situation of being preggers. So I feel like I need to sit. Oh, I feel better. I probably should have did the whole thing sitting down. I be forgetting I can do that sometimes. I should do that. But yeah, I would be a lot further along with this, pretty much probably done with this if I was not pregnant and having things going on with me. So But yeah, it is what it is. At least I'm doing it. I should be done by the deadline that I told the person I would be done and ready to send it off. So, and which is the end of this week. So I think I'll be done by the end of this week, and then I can, when I'm done hemming it at the bottom, I'm gonna make sure I iron down the side seams, all the seams, make sure they're all ironed, and it looks nice and crisp and pressed. And then I'm gonna prep and wrap it up and get ready to send it off. So I'm excited about that, and that way I can be done with this one and start the next one. Hopefully that doesn't take too long. I still am trying to figure out what I'm doing for Passover pieces. I may do one of my dresses. It's probably one of the easiest, but I want to do 2 different versions of the dress. So the dress itself is I don't want to say plain, but it's a simple dress. There's no embroidery or anything blingy on it. So I wanted to do a couple of those regular, just plain as is, and then I want to do a couple in different fabrics. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, so we shall see. I need to make decisions quickly, so that way I can have the fabric here already and just get started on it. And yeah, hopefully by that time I'll be able to get a little more done in a day. If I need to, I'll just be like, hey babe, I really need you to watch the kids right now and keep them out of my face so I can get work done. Yeah, but I'm gonna change these butts and put them to bed and eat and take me a nap. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are having a great and awesome day. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. See you guys later. Bye bye.
Yasha gave me the seats to the game and I'm sitting courtside. Double-minded with your life, boy, better pick a side. Looking at Satan and all his goons, man, they looking real tired. Yeah, I been filling my cup, yeah, he been so real. When I'm praising the Most High, I can't sit still. Yeah, it's a different feel, yeah, it's a different thrill. To think about my life without him, it just give me chills. Yasharahla stand up, we in the building. 144 up in the spot, we turn off the ceiling. Yeah, fight nigga, fight it till I die. Hit my dizzy dance, shout out to that Yasharahla slide, okay. Outside, bliss, wake up in the morning, feel the speed under my chest. And doing to the end, I try so hard, I'm doing my best. If it's Shabbat, don't call my phone, man, leave me alone, I'm getting my rest. Yeah, outside, yeah, Satan think it's checkers, but we really playing chess. Put a sin all in my face, well, I ain't impressed. Man, you already know the slogan, yeah, we blessed by the flow. Outside, bliss.
Hey y'all, how you doing? So it's another vlog day. I finished the bias tape for the jacket. Now I just have to hem the bottom. I just put it on the mannequin so I can feel the vibes, and I'm feeling them. I love the pockets at the bottom, you know, and I'm happy with what I did. So I probably would have finished today, however I had to make a call and I've been waiting for like an hour and some change, and then I hung up and then tried again and I'm still waiting. So that's why I have mine on, just in case someone answers. But it is past their nap time, so I'm going to put them down for naps. I'm gonna eat, probably take a nap, and see you guys next time. I'm probably gonna combine today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's Friday? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. So I'm probably gonna combine this one with tomorrow since it was kind of short. And yeah, call it a day, cause yeah, I would love to continue working on stuff later, but I'm not sure how my body would feel about that, so we'll see. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Most high willing. So, see you guys later. Bye.
And if you did